na Italia Cappelletti. Na I cook so a ragu. Area afa now how na dey. A lot of things dey inside this video if you watch am to the end because I do a lot of things here. Okay, make I tell una as I take prepare this Italia Cappelletti aragu. Okay, I don put my onions for inside my heat oil. Then I go dey put carrots and I go dey put celery, which is sedano. Then I go dey put my tomatoes paste. Okay, then I go stew them. Then I come put my grounded meat inside. So this food now I go cook am half, then run comot because I get appointment for hospital. Now I take comot, Obi come pick me, see me for inside the hospital. I don finish my appointment. See, as I dey come out now, I see church for inside the hospital. Now I video church. Now it's okay, me will comot, me with Mr. Luka when they like to play people. Me don dey outside of the hospital. I don hold all my papers, collect my medication. Now because me will drive comot. Now because say okay, oh make we go do aperitif. Now we take enter our favorite bar. Now we carry one bottle of wine. We say we use am take cool off our head. Now they bring all this small food wey be say they take dey do aperitif. Now we say we use am first take digest our belle. We like food. We like food. See am now, we don finish. So now I carry my bag. They can't even dash me things sef for the bar. Now I come back, come dey prepare my stew. That is Italian ragu. Now I come say okay, now I wan put my wine because I first leave am half comot because of my appointment. Then I don put my wine. I go cover am make it cook down. E go cook before I come dey put my tomatoes. I don put my tomatoes. I don dey put my maggi. I don dey put my salt. Then I go put my nutmeg. I go come allow am after I don turn am small. I go come allow am cook down. Yeah, I don dey put my water for pot. Then I go put salt inside. I go boil the water. After I don boil, I'll start to dey put this pasta wey dem dey call cappelletti. Na meat na dey inside. Then I go leave am make it boil for 3 minutes. Then I go bring am come out. E no even reach 3 minutes sef. Then see my stew. E don dey cook koto. I go put am for another pot because my pasta don almost ready. I'll start to dey put my pasta inside because Obi is hungry. He has to eat dinner. You know say I abandon am when he take carry me go hospital as he dey come back from work. See am now, my food don ready. How una take check am? If you like, put your chips on top.